Alright, and okay, hello everyone, welcome to English Advanced Spoken English today. And before, I have one topic to show you, and that topic is talking about the police word, and that one is my email address, Google and Facebook, Blogger or email. So I have three content to talking about. The first, understanding the meaning of the police word. Second, identify the rule to use the police word in English. And third, you will be use the word well, depend on the grammar rule. And then we keep going on. So outstanding the meaning of the police word. The police word is mean official organizations whose job is makes people obey the law or prevent or show the crime. The people who work for this organization. That is the definition I get from offered advanced learner English. So you have to understand what does it mean, the police, right now. And I will keep going to the next step to identify the rule to use the police word in English. It means that you have to think that is a police a singular word or the plural word. So we keep going, and to see the two sentences that have a different, like A and B. So the first A, it means the police is looking at him, and B, the police are looking at him. So which one is correct, and so that which sentences is correct between A and B? The correct answer is a letter B. The reason is that the people are a plural noun, so we have to use the plural verbs too. Identify. So you have to understanding and take note that the word police is a plural word. When you use to speak, to write, we have to use a plural verb too. And thank you very much for paying attention on this video. Bye, see you then. Thank you very much, and see you the next lesson. Thanks.